Welcome back to another day in the life. So the Forerunner's been running great, but I decided to do some maintenance here and replace the spark plugs. There's an old one, here's a new one. And with that being said, once I replaced the other side, just decided to walk you guys through the left side here where we have to remove the airbox, a couple bolts, and finally getting to the coils where you will see there that you have to remove some 10mm bolts and also some connectors to finally get to the spark plugs. Once you get those removed, you can go ahead and start removing the coils with a 5/8 drive with a magnetic end. You can go ahead and start removing the spark plugs. Here goes in a new one. Once you got that done, you can go ahead and start putting the coils back with the 10mm bolt and applying all the connectors. Here's a map sensor that I thought I'd show you guys because it was really dirty, so we cleaned it. Also found that the air filter was really dirty, so we replaced that with a new one. What up? And decided to put everything back together. And once we did, it gives you this slow little chug where you'll kind of worry, but at the same time, we did replace, or not replace, clean the throttle body where we cleaned it out because it was full of gunk, and that's why you get that slow little chug upon startup. Once the idle starts to relearn, it starts purring like a kitten again, and you pretty much got a good running rig at this point. So runs really well, stronger than ever, and might save me some money on that fuel economy side.